scalable system to disseminate location-specific best agriculture practices to all farmers. So here, it is scalable system. Scalable means that should, the cost should linearly increase with the numbers, or it is saturated. This scalable system. It is location-specific best practices. By this, you are covering all agroclimatic zones, differences in North India, East India, West India, everything. Okay. Uh, and all farmers. So, are we targeting all farmers? I am a researcher, I am a professor, so I want to build a model so that somebody can take it forward. So, these are the major research activities at IIIT Hyderabad. We are from 2004, we are trying to build a cost-effective Esagu. We have got notion of village level Esagu now, and Esagu also we built. I am going to share. Another project we started, Eagromet, collaborative partner Professor Reddy from Agroclimatic Research Center. We are planning to build crop-specific virtual labs for enhancing practical education. The concept is clear. If somebody wants, I can share with. I am also planning to build crop planner and scheduler to farmer actually. If somebody is interested, I can discuss. I am a farmer. What I want? I am a farmer of 2 to 3 acres. I am illiterate or functionally illiterate. What you need for agriculture? You need for water and finance. On the government side, or there is no confusion that water and agriculture, water and finance is required. So after some time, the budget will come and problems are going to solve. The question is knowledge. I am a farmer of 3 acres. I need knowledge to each of my farm. Here, there is some confusion here. So I compare this paradigm with the water dam. If you build a water dam, you don't dig the canals, water is useless. Now, I say that we have got knowledge dams like ICAR, agriculture universities, but somewhere the canals are not dug. Canals means like water, knowledge should flow continuously, 365 days to each farm of India. What knowledge? Whatever the knowledge agriculture scientist delivers. Can we build a system? So existing systems are generalized and pull based. Pull based means you assume that farmer will pull the information. Generalized means radio based, all those things, summaries, all those things. How to build a knowledge canal to each farm to deliver actionable knowledge to each farm in regular manner for all Indian farmers. Are we asking too much? No. 20 years back, we would ask the same question that provide employment to everybody. We would have laughed at it. Now we are providing 100 days employment to everybody in India. When you can provide 100 days employment to everybody in India, why do you have to build a system to provide knowledge to every farm? It will bring major impact. Then I'll compare to providing employment to everybody. How long you will provide 100 days employment? Like MNRGA, we have to start several such systems now. So that's my point here. Providing knowledge to every farm will create multiplier effect. You can understand what is the meaning of multiplier effect. Another thing is that knowledge delivery is not a problem. Everybody has got a mobile phone. What is the problem? Do you have actionable knowledge for each farm? Knowledge creation is the problem. Knowledge creation is the problem. That is I faced from 2004. Can we tell 2-acre farmer what to do? That is the problem. Delivery is not a problem, fortunately. 20 years back, that was also a problem. Because mobile phone delivery is not a problem, creation is a problem. So these are the objectives of Esagu. We started in 2004. A system should be personalized and timely. Regular advice should be provided regularly every 10 days. And feedback based. We should not expect a question from the farmer. Still we have to serve the farmer. Like this, so all the query cost effective powered by IT. Since 2004 we started working. The basic idea is simple. In medical domain, a doctor examines black and white X-ray, takes the critical decision to operate it or not. In agriculture domain, why can't agriculture expert examine color photographs and tell what a farmer should do? I thought it will work. Then I started research. Professor Bhaskar is also here, so he is also working with me. So basic idea is simple. Extend developments in IT to agriculture. Agriculture scientist does not visit crop, and crop photos comes to him. It means as far as possible, without visiting the crop, can you take a decision what farmer should do for his crop? So who will send the photographs? Farmer will send the photographs, but at this juncture, due to lot of illiteracy, this assumption may not be. So each village creates a structure. 8th class, 9th class complete, and they are farmers. They will work as a coordinator with digital camera. They will take the photographs of other farms. So this is the structure. So every 6 villages, like common service center, 6 village for one common service center, there is the Esagu local center, and there is a person who has a digital camera. He will visit the farms of all farmers, regular manner, send these photographs to Esagu main lab, where experienced scientists with location specific knowledge will examine the photographs and type the expert advisories. Building a knowledge support system to speed up knowledge advice delivery is an orthogonal problem that can be done. But as of now, agriculture extension scientists are delivering advices. They can easily deliver the advice 95% time, 5% time they have to visit. That is our experience. Most of the time they can take the decision. So this is the procedure. So regularly, every 10 days, each farm should be visited. Photographs have to come. I will take a minute to demonstrate how things are going on. This is the farmers. This is the farmers list. This is the farm. This farm received expert advice starting from 8th month to 12th. So this is observation. This is the photographs. So this is a cotton farm field. You will see. This is the focus photograph. You see, zooming facility is same like a microscope. That was our experience. So the scientist can easily take a decision based on this photograph. And third photograph is this stem application. This stem is becoming black. This is a cotton crop. And this is a feedback form. You will write the feedback and take the photograph. What farmer is thinking? He says that he applied 3 acres for 3 acres 100 kg urea and nearby plant, so it is becoming black. So this is the advice that goes to him, not due to fertilizer application. It is root rot disease. To control this, pour copper oxychloride 3 gram per liter, like that. Then the organic advice, inorganic, all kinds of things. What farmer has to do now? If you follow regularly, most of the time you will not go for pesticide, because we are following like in the farm. This is the how it does. Then I will go back to my PPT presentation. So now I demonstrated every farm to be photographs are taken once in 10 days. It may depend upon crop to crop. For horticulture, you can take once in 15 days. So we already worked for 200 crops. So this is another rice example, and you can take photographs and advice will be delivered. So from 2004, we are implementing in hundreds of villages, different regions, different crops, and the impact evaluation study showed that significant benefit can be accrued to farmers. 4,000 rupees additional benefit per cotton farmer per acre by saving 1 fertilizer bag, 2.5 pesticide sprays, plus 1.5 quintal of cotton. This is a fish also we worked. Fish advisory also, it worked for fish also. So this worked in Patepuram in West Godavari. This is the history chronological, what we have done, how many crops we have tested, how many villages we have tested, and all these things are available. Due to lack of time, I am speeding up. So what is happening now? For agricultural scientists, the challenge, how many advices you can deliver per day? We apply data mining, reuse, information search, content development, build a system that you can take 100 advices per day, 5 minutes per advice. Better than this, you can't get it. He works for 7 hours, delivers 100 advices. Now, how we have to scale it, that is the kind of thing actually. It is encouraging IPM judicious use of pesticides and fertilizer by avoiding their indiscriminate usage. The benefit is significant. This is the system. Now, what happened due to last 4 years? The Middle Asia funded this project. They took the money from the farmers. When we started collecting money, farmers are difficult to collect money from the farmers, because this has to be linked with the bank and other services actually, because this knowledge itself, it is very difficult to collect money from the farmers. Also, farmers and other stakeholders felt that the operational cost of personal advice under Esagu system is little bit high actually. We are collecting about 600, 700 rupees per farm per season, but benefit is significant, but they are not seeing that kind of benefit. So I revised the objectives. It should be accessible to poor farmers. As a result, poor farmers are not coming to me. It should be cover all the crops, should not compromise personalization, should be affordable, scalable, should encourage community discussion. A system should encourage community discussion. It should also encourage knowledge empowerment. So this is the new version of Esagu that is running now. For cluster of 5 to 6 villages, we had identified 25 farms, 5 cotton, 5 chili, top 5 crops. 5 cotton also, 1 black soil, red soil, a combination of sample will be selected. Coordinator visits these farms regular intervals, take the photographs, and we prepare advice sheets, cotton